Nice little bluegill right there. Uh-oh, y'all, we got something going on here. We got something missing, y'all. Let's take a look and see what's going on here. Lay that right there. Look right here, y'all. See where my finger is? His ear flap is gone. Poor feller. Yeah, hold on. See, there's the other side. There's the other side. Well, he's gonna become bait, so I guess it don't matter if he's got a lost ear flap or not, but what are you talking about up there in that tree? Say it ain't so. You see my little bluegill bird? All right, y'all, I got some birds hanging out watching me fish today. But yeah, take a look. But I'm gonna put it in the flow bucket. It's gonna be useful. All right, y'all. See you, bye. Doggone birds.